Okay, couldn't see the number, but got the name of the boat. That's 23, Kyler Reynolds Decompression. Sandy Claus is coming to town.
There's a moon down there.
Now coming up alongside is number 21, Jennifer Ono. The boat is 4 Winds, saying happy holidays.
We like that.
All right, we got Jansen Mike.
We do like that.
We got Snoopy on the bow. That needs to be Snoopy on the bow. We need to get Snoopy around here.
We like that.
Oh, they've got dolphins. That's a pretty good one.
This one is number 16, Josh Maxwell. The boat is SB Blue. Lit up. It's a fishing boat. We got a bait tank on there. Surfboards on top. Stand-up paddle boards. People waving. Brightly lit. We like that.
We like that.
Well, they're all dressed up too.
That's a winner. What's their number? Well, that's a horrible photo. Zoom in.
He's all, this is my favorite one.
Okay, we've got
I want to vote for that one. I don't know what the number is.
I think that one was 36. I don't know.
number 10.
You might be right. I remember him saying 36. And I don't know.
Okay, looks like we got 30. Travis and Mohammed sail the Montage.
Oh, I think Ben's in that.
Yep, the Montage.
Two before it was saying.
And their message is bienvenue.
Oh, that's kind of cool, but I think they need more. I like their outfits. Little blinky necklace.
Okay, we got a nice looking powerboat coming up alongside. We're trying to find the number on there.
What's wrong with them this morning?
Looks like a 2. 25. 25 is Tama and Destina Thunberg. It's a powerboat called the Sojourner. And their message is sustainable energy lighting. Good for them.
Oh damn, they're absolutely jamming. Get down.
Yes, 2 tacos! 2 tacos, please!
We got monster on the...
Oh, a punk rock for the reason.
Here we've got one all done up. Critters and and we're trying to figure out that number. Looks like Bernard Freeman, commercial fishing boat, Perseverance, 2 years. All right, so guys, and he even got the magic word in there, like magic under the moonlight. That she is.